Welcome to a video on taxation. So firstly, we're going to have a look at a couple of definitions. So gross income is the total income that you earn. It can be from multiple jobs or just the one job that you actually have. Net income is the amount that's left after deductions. And those deductions could be tax, union fees, etc. There's other type of deductions as well. So net equals gross minus deductions. Taxation is money that's paid to the government once your taxable income passes a set amount. So at the present moment, if you earn over $350 in a week, you start to pay tax. And at the current rate, it's around 19 cents in tax for every dollar over that amount. That's for the first, the smallest tax bracket, which we'll have a look at in a second. So the following is a tax table that's taken directly from the official tax office website for this year, as of the 14th of the 2nd, 2022. So basically, anyone who earns in a year under $18,200, which was that $350 amount, they pay no tax at all. The next bracket is that over the $18,200, you start to pay 19 cents for every dollar that you're over, that $18,200. So $18,201, you pay 19 cents. $18,202, you pay 2 lots of 19 cents, which is 38 cents, etc., up to $45,000. And then each bracket increments from the first one. So the next tax bracket is for those people who earn between $45,000 and $120,000. So they pay $5,092, which is the amount from the bracket before, plus 32.5 cents for every dollar over $45,000. And each tax bracket afterwards increments in the amount of cents per dollar over the lowest amount in that bracket. None of this includes Medicare levy, which we will cover in a later video. So how do you use the tax table? So first thing, you add up all your income. That's called your gross. You then add up all your taxable deductions. Thirdly, your taxable income to use in that table is the gross income minus any deductions you're allowed. And finally, you calculate the tax based on your taxable income. So depending on which bracket you fall into. So for the first example, we've got Fiona earning $24,000 a year as a carpenter and $4,500 at a cafe. And we want to find out her taxable income or tax payable. So the total amount that Fiona earns, which is her taxable income, because for this first one, she's got no deductions, is those two amounts added together. So $24,000 plus $4,500 is $28,500. You can see that's more than $18,200. So she's above the no tax payable. So she's actually got to pay tax. So she has to pay 19 cents for every dollar that $28,500 is over $18,200. So 19 cents, make sure you enter it on your calculator as 0.19 times, and then we subtract the two amounts, her taxable income minus the amount that it's over. That gives us $1,957 in tax she pays. So for our second example, we're looking at Fiona has some taxable deductions that she's able to claim. So she can claim $400 for travel between the two jobs throughout the year and $150 that she spent on uniforms. And now we're going to calculate her new tax payable amount. So let's firstly work out her taxable income. So remember, that's equal to gross minus deductions. And her gross income was $28,500. And these deductions, taxable deductions, amount to $550. So her taxable income to use in that table is $27,950. once again, that is above that amount where she pays no income. So she's going to pay 19 cents for every dollar that she's over 18,200. So that's 0.19 times 27,950 minus 18,200. So that's $1,852.50, which is about $100 less than before she had the deductions. Thank you, and a shout out to Thomas.